a special day. I just woke up very early in the morning, around 3, and I embarked my journey back to the village. And also I'm still in the car. Over here, these are the small minibuses that we are using from the capital city back to home. So please kindly subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. I'm very tired, so sleepy, my eyes are swollen, but the happiness is still at the top notch because I'm back home, and I'm going to see my village people back, and we'll see what's happening up and down. And yeah, thank you so much for your prayers, for traveling all the way from West Africa. Thank you so much, Ghana in general, for always like taking me as your own. And now I'm back in East Africa, Kenya to be specific, and I can't wait also to share with you our amazing culture here, cooking ugali, eating ugali, and yeah, giving with you our amazing way. So let's head to the village and we see how they react to see their boy back. Alright guys. Different areas as we are traveling, because when I started my journey it was really night and I couldn't even film him. I was so sleepy, tired, so I got this opportunity to film him because I just wake up. Yeah, and they keep on moving. We are in a place known as Rongo, and this is Rongo, you know. This whole journey we passed through Kisii, we passed through Keroka, Kisii, in which it has best terrain environment favorable for agriculture, and Kisii is well known for growth of matoke, or the plantains, and sugarcane, and also avocados. Not only that, but also it's a biggest producer of tea and some veggies that serve the entire Nairobi city, you know. So as you see, as we keep on traveling over here, we'll be able to see the best evergreen environment. See and enjoy it. That's the police station over there. Oh, this place is green also. It's called Rongo. plantations, and where you see smoke coming from, there's a company, a sugar company called Sony Sugar Company. That's sugar now. We are just stopped here by the police, and don't know what's happening yet right now. We are now almost in Migori town. Yeah, Migori County and Migori town. Yeah, so let me give you a tour of Migori, how it looks like. That I see I'm almost home. Person going fast, so everybody just dropped from the car. You got dropped off to their destinations, so I'm the only person remaining over here. And yeah, this is Migori now, Migori itself. And now we are moving on this other end with heavy music. From here to home it will be just like 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll be done. So I'm going to connect to a small car, then I'll be at home. Home sweet home. This river you see here, it goes all the way to Lake Victoria. For now it's low season because there's no much rain. Sometimes when it rains a lot, the water goes up. So this is Migori, and this is what you see around here, Migori town itself. So just stopped by over here in Migori. Now I'll be heading home. I'm stepping on the motherland, or I'm stepping on I'm really stepping on my land, Migori County, the fresh air. This is Migori itself, guys. For my Ghanaian watching this, welcome home. So I'll just take another cab over here. They are called Matatu. Here you call them Pro Box. Just pay like 100 Kenyan shillings. That will be like $1 so that I can reach in the village. This is this is the village that I always go with. Let's try and see. Those are the kind of matatus that we usually go. Let's wait and see. That will be heavy. I think it's full. Let's wait and see. Okay. So just connecting. Found the app. And I'll be heading home. It will be a turn great. Just arrived home and True Boy 08.
Yeah man, Mr. True Boy 208 here.
Just came for me and I was like, man, you cannot just walk home.
Right.
So we are heading home right now.
Yes.
With True Boy 208.
Yeah man.
And I wanna see the reaction of people home, man. Okay guys, let's drive home. Let's ride home.
Yeah man.
True Boy is fished.
Yeah, fished. No joke.
No joke.
Okay.
Guys, neighbors have improved. Our neighbors have improved with my Mazda face.
That's over there. New houses.
New houses.
Yes. Modern houses in fact.
I don't know, when I come back home, I have a Mazda face. Like my face shows a Mazda one. Like you see that way? Now you're cruising home.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see who. Hey, we are home, man. Let's see what's happening.
East West, home is the best.
What's the best, man?
Yes. I was here yesterday.
Yes.
And things are still
Hey, my
okay.
goats. I think I have to take them to my land. Hey, look home, guys. Look home. Eh?
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Where is the grandma?
Our grandma must be inside.
Grandma, she's used to sit here. Oh,
She must be, but for now,
yes.
she's strong. Maybe.
Okay, man. How are you? Hey, good man. Great man with the big Porsche machine.
Yes.
Congratulations, bro. No situation is permanent.
Thank you so much.
No situation is permanent. Congratulations for that. Welcome home, man, with new everything. Introduce yourself. Yeah.
Yes, guys. Welcome to our home. Welcome to Mr. Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
We are back at home because when he was there, even I've never done a video around, but even yesterday was around.
Okay.
You know? So with me, I'm True Boy 208, brother to CJ, friend to CJ. We just thank God he went Ghana and he's back. Now you have to give thanks to Almighty.
To Almighty God, man.
Because the journey, you know, traveling is not easy.
It's not easy, man.
They use flights sometimes, you know.
And where you to sleep, what to eat.
Imagine. So it's only God who is a pilot.
Guys,
So
we are here.
yeah, I'm so happy.
So much happy to you, and so much happy for what you are doing, for the great work, man. I'm seeing you have a Porsche. Yes. Now you have two Porsches right here, like mine. Yeah. It's inside here.
Yes.
And I give much thanks for you for coming to just welcome me and tell me, hey, bro. You know, I just gave him a call. I told him, man, I'll be there in just an hour. So I'm like, in some minutes, I told him, oh man, I'm here, and he was like.
Yes, even I was the Porsche was outside.
Okay.
So when you called me,
yes,
and you already arrived there,
yeah,
I had no even to go and pick my helmet. Okay. Because it's not that much far.
Oh yeah, I understood that.
I just came, you know.
Oh okay.
I just rushed. Okay. You know, let me go pick CJ. That's
man, thank you so much, bro. That's what we call brotherhood and friendship.
For sure.
Alright, guys, I wanna check. I don't know where grandma is. I was expecting to see grandma here. She maybe always sits here.
There.
Or there, yeah.
But maybe she's inside.
Alright, let me check. I expected to see grandma here, but now that she has changed the situation. Look. Eh? Look.
Yes. I told you.
Look.
Hey.
Hey,
look. Why are you standing like that?
Look. Hey. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma. Haidoma iye mulale. Hata kamera haidoma. Vivi. Hey guys, look at her face. Hey, you look damn Vivi.
Fantastic.
Hey guys, I missed my granny guys.
Sure.
I really missed my granny. Now, then so umebadilisha form unacheza huko. Ni hapa.
Nasema hivi mapikipiki inataka kunigonga. Acha nirudi hapa.
She says always sometimes motorbikes passes here and I know it's
Ncharina.
208.
Uko Nyakuru Mwita.
Man, that's really nice and great. We are
Si
here.
mimi nilikuwa hapa jana Ncharina.
Jana ujuzi.
Jana nilikuja hapa. Nilileta
Jana
maisha.
saa ngapi?
Nilileta maisha.
Juma is lying to grandma.
Nimekudanganya Ncharina.
Grandma.
Nimekudanganya. Sijakudanganya.
Grandma says.
Macho inakuwa mekundu nakula nini?
Grandma says.
Unakula bangi.
Grandma would send a Juma. They usually joke every single day, and I'm so much happy. You see grandma's skin? Hey, she's shining.
Shining.
She's not growing old. Oh man, she's always young.
Sasa unafurahi.
Hey.
Na mimi nafurahi na kuona.
Kweli Ncharina.
Sasa
Na mimi
hata roho
ufurahi.
yangu inatulia.
Si ndio bibi?
Ndio.
Haya, lala bibi nakuja, sawa? Mister, are you comfortable to be here? Are you comfortable to be here? You want to say hi to my people?
Angalia mikono yangu hii inaanguka hata hakuna nguvu.
Umeanguka wapi bibi? Wewe lala kwanza. Nakuja, sawa?
Unakuja na hapa nina njaa.
Usijali nitakupikia sasa.
Unipikia nini? Mimi nataka paipai.
Nataka paipai.
Nenda nichukue kwa Nyanduru hapa.
Sawa, nakuletea paipai, sawa?
Hapa kwa Nyanduru.
Hebu sema tena. Ambia guys. Hi guys. Say hi guys. Wasalimie hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, subscribe. I miss you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, let's see what's going on.
Yes bro, welcome.
Is anybody around? I only see Minhawi. No, she's been around. Oh my god. Let me see. Also Peter. Tunaangaliana kama miti. Nasikia siku hizi unasumbua Peter. Kwaje? Maraba. Popoa. Ni radio tu. Unafanya kazi? Hi. That is Peter. He's one of our guys who usually help me to do the environment over here, and you see it's like really green and nice. She takes care of my stuff over here. Very nice and good. Anybody in?
I'm here. Don't worry, I'm here.
Okay.
Yes, True Boy is here.
Okay. Oh, nice.
So finally
Finally you're home. Karibu mra.
welcome bro.
It has been long time, man. Since long time. All right, True Boy.
Welcome bro.
Okay.
Yeah, welcome in the village.
Okay.